Hello?
Hey, sorry for calling unannounced.
No, you're good. What's up?
Oh, nothing. I just wanted to see how you're doing before you leave for Paris.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't believe I finally have a chance to get out of this country for a bit.
Yeah, I hear that.
Have you been?
Oh, no, I haven't. I don't know, it seems so far away.
Hey, I'll send you a postcard then. And, since I'm gonna be away for your birthday, expect a surprise at your doorstep.
Surprise?
Don't worry about it. Oh my god, this is crazy. I'm gonna be in Paris tomorrow.
Hey, can I ask? Why Paris?
What do you mean?
I don't know, I don't see the point, I guess. I mean, what's in Paris that you don't get here?
I guess I love getting away, you know? Seeing things from afar, not having to give a shit about anything, really. I think it's worth it, seeing the world from another perspective.
Aren't you scared, though?
What? Of what?
Going to a completely foreign place, not knowing any French? Wait, can you speak French?
Voulez-vous, c'est pour voir, my friend.
Are investigating just what caused the deadly single-engine plane crash landing down the street in this residential neighborhood.
Here, you know what? When I get back on my birthday, I'm gonna take you to the spot I know.
Spot?
Yeah, oh, and buy me some of those white flowers. I forget what they're called.
Why do you want the flowers?
Because they're pretty.
Yeah, pretty good for Instagram.
Take a look at the
Okay, you know what? They're beautiful.
But, I don't know, they're so hard to find. They're so rare.
Yeah? So?
I don't know, they're delicate. You gotta make sure they're safe.
Okay, well, while you're being a negative old fart, I'm gonna appreciate their inner beauty.
I don't have a choice, huh?
Yep, it's my birthday after all.
I surrender. I don't know, I can't believe we're gonna be gone for so long.
Don't worry about me. I'll be fine. God, I can't wait for my birthday now.
I don't get what's so exciting about a view.
You'll see.
You're not gonna tell me?
Well, I love living. I love being in the world, taking things in from afar. I think you need some of that in your life.
Okay, yeah. Sure, if you say so.
Look, you'll see, okay? I gotta finish packing right now. I'll see you when I get back.
Yeah, have fun living from afar. I'll see you later.